Hello YouTube, this is my 2006 VW Touareg 4.2 V8. It recently has a engine code P0491 and P0492, which indicate that the secondary air injection has low flow on bank 1, I think it's there, and bank 2. And I did an inspection on the lines. I found that the two pressure or vacuum lines here to the valve behind the engine block over there and the valve over there, the lines was broken actually completely. So I did a little research and I bought 4 feet of the emission and fuel lines at AutoZone, which fit pretty well. It's a pain to put the line over there because I have to take all the intake, the tube off, and it's quite narrowed over there, but I made it. And I used a clamp on each end, so I blow down the pipe here, and it seems like it holds the vacuum or pressure pretty well. So I clear the code, and then the code come back up again, so still the same, but this time is only on bank 1, not on bank 2 anymore. I did more research. I watched a video that a guy, I'll put his name underneath here. Thanks to him that I followed his steps to check those lines here from the intake manifold. His instructions are pretty thorough, and I watched a few times, maybe 5 times. I checked the SAIS pressure here, which is normal. I checked the price after the one-way valve, which is also normal. I cut the diaphragm here completely. I disconnect this and I connected the vacuum to the solenoid here. The pressure, the vacuum is okay, is normal. After the solenoid is also normal. Before the diaphragm on the right is normal, but when I connect to the diaphragm, then I check the vacuum here. It becomes very little, like 10 millimeter mercury. So there must be something wrong with the diaphragm here, and I took it off, and I found like a 1/4 inch crack on the diaphragm. It just is inside of, so that's why I didn't find it for the first time I did my inspection. So I took it off. I used some Permatex black silicone sealant to fix it. I did 2 coats. Hopefully it will last long enough. I don't know. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but just let it be for now. So everything is connected. Now I'm gonna start the cars to see if the pressure to the solenoid here is normal. If it's normal, hopefully the code will not come back again. If it comes back, it has to be the solenoid or the valves, I believe. So let's start the car. Finger crossed. check yeah, it's coming up. It was like 10 millimeter mercury, now it's reaching to 40. I think it's all good, and all the diaphragm is all sucked in. It used to be like here and here, now it's completely sucked in. That means this. So I'll clear the code and I'll drive a bit, see if the code comes back. I'll update. And I'll tell you guys what's happening. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.